that special place in your special closet, the greatest gift, remarkable, outstanding, significant, superior, the greatest gift. Your love, my love, his love, the Father's love, incredible, eternal, unconditional love for us all. The bestest gift, loving you as I love myself. The goodest gift, a birth that wasn't supposed to be, but had to be. A miracle, a birthday, his birth, his son, his life on the cross, the Lamb, God himself.
The greatest gift that I never even thought to ask for was the gift of a Savior. Someone who could save my life, someone who could keep and sustain my mind. And so that song, that's how we came up with the song, The Gift of a King. Just want to sing a little bit of it for you tonight. Now I'm a little older now, and I still must confess, I don't understand how you thought I deserved your best. The one and only, your begotten Son. Oh yeah. And while you bless me to have all the things on my list, I'm so glad that you gave me one important thing I missed. A gift that never gets old. Who cares for my soul? Now this one thing I want to say. You are the greatest gift that I have been given. When I thought I knew what I wanted, you gave me what I needed. You are the greatest gift that I have been given. More precious than 5 golden rings. I've been given the gift of a king. And out of all of the things I've been given, there's nothing more precious than this. Oh, you are the greatest gift that I have been given. When I thought I knew what I wanted, you gave me what I needed. You are the greatest gift that I have been given. More precious than 5 golden rings. I've been given the gift of a king.
Hello, everybody. I'm Pastor Charles Westmoreland of Restoration Ministries, and I'm coming to you today to share with you some very, very special and exciting information about restoration. First of all, I'd like to invite you to come and worship with us at our new location. Our new location is 3057 Walt Stevens Road in Jonesboro, Georgia. You can worship with us every Sunday at 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon. We're inviting you and your family to come and worship with us. We're going to be dealing with some very, very special topics for this upcoming year. First of all, we're going to be dealing with purpose and destiny. I was listening to Dr. Miles Monroe speak the other day, and he said something that was very, very profound. He said that where purpose is not known, abuse is inevitable. We're going to be dealing with basically 5 different topics that kind of help to govern and guide us through our purpose and destiny. Number 1, who am I? Which simply deals with our identity. Number 2, where am I from? Which deals with our heritage. Should we look at it from a natural standpoint or a spiritual standpoint, or should we look at it from both? Number 3, why am I here? Which simply deals with purpose. And then number 4, what can I do to better myself, dealing with my potential? And then number 5, where am I going? Which is simply destiny. Again, I'm inviting you and your family to come on out to Restoration and worship with us and be blessed by these powerful topics. Our worship experience takes place every Sunday at 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon. The address is 3057 Walt Stevens Road in Jonesboro, Georgia. Inviting you and your family to come out and be blessed by the ministry of restoration.